The world's most important continent isn't where you think it is. By 2050, 1 in every 4 people on Earth will be African. This is the youngest, fastest growing population in human history. But the race for Africa isn't just about people. It is about the very future of our global technology. Every electric car and smartphone on the planet starts here. Critical minerals are the new oil, and Africa holds the world's largest supply of them. The Democratic Republic of Congo produces 70% of global cobalt. Without this soil, the green energy transition simply stops. This is why superpowers are pouring billions into the continent. China saw this coming decades before anyone else. In 2025, trade between China and Africa hit a record $348 billion. Beijing just removed all tariffs for 53 African nations. They are building the roads, railways, and ports of the future. But Russia is playing a very different game. Moscow is no longer using the Wagner Group. They have rebranded as the state-run Africa Corps. Russia exports security in exchange for gold and minerals. But in 2026, the Russian model is facing a crisis. Rebel groups in Mali have forced a massive Russian retreat. Now, the United States is finally making its move. Washington's answer to China is the Libido Corridor, a $10 billion railway connecting the Atlantic to the Copper Belt. The U.S. is backing DRC President Felix Tshisekedi for mineral access. Tshisekedi is now considering a controversial third term. Superpowers often prioritize resources over democratic stability. But African leaders are no longer just passive observers. They are playing the superpowers against each other. Kenya's William Ruto is leading the charge for green investment. He hosted the inaugural Africa Forward Summit in 2026. The goal? Move from raw exports to local processing. Nigeria's Dangote refinery is already changing the energy game. It is the world's largest single-train oil refinery. Ethiopia's Grand Renaissance Dam is now fully operational. It can generate over 5,000 megawatts of clean power. Africa is no longer just a source of raw materials. It is becoming the world's largest consumer market. The race to control Africa is a race to control the century. The global balance of power now rests on this soil.